Looking to learn how to use Unicode QR codes quickly and efficiently? You're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into what Unicode offers, how it works, and whether it's the right tool for your needs. Stick around to the end because I'll be sharing an exclusive extended free trial along with some better alternatives that you'll want to know about. Unicode QR codes offer businesses, marketers, and creators a powerful tool for creating customizable, scannable QR codes that can link to any digital content. Setting it up is incredibly simple. You start by signing up on their website, and once you're in, you're ready to create your first code. You just input your desired URL or content and choose from a variety of design options. From colors to logos, Unicode allows you to personalize your QR code. Now, let's talk about some specifics. The first thing you'll notice with Unicode is its user-friendly interface. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate it. Just click a few buttons and you're creating your custom QR codes. This makes it ideal for businesses that want a quick solution without spending hours learning the software. However, this simplicity means you don't get as many advanced features as you might find in other QR code generators. If you're looking for something super robust with tracking features or analytics, you might find Unicode lacking. Next, Unicode does allow for static and dynamic QR codes. This is a big plus as dynamic QR codes can be edited after being generated, perfect if you need to change the destination URL or offer overtime. However, the downside? If you need to use dynamic QR codes on a large scale, you might run into limitations on their free plan. You'll need to upgrade for more customization options, which brings me to the third thing. Pricing with Unicode is reasonable for most small businesses, but again, it falls short if you need a high volume of QR codes or advanced features like real-time scanning analytics or custom reporting. And speaking of analytics, while Unicode does provide basic tracking features, they're not as extensive as what you get with some competitors. If you're looking for deeper insights into how your QR codes are performing, this may not be the best fit. The fourth thing to consider is Unicode's integration capabilities. It works well with platforms like Shopify and Google Analytics, which is useful if you're running an e-commerce store or campaign. But if you need more complex integrations with tools like CRM systems or email marketing platforms, you may need to explore other options that provide those features more seamlessly. Finally, let's talk about alternatives. While Unicode does a decent job of providing a simple, intuitive solution for QR code creation, there are other tools out there that offer a lot more bang for your buck when it comes to functionality. I've tried several QR code generators, and I'll tell you, there's one that stands out in terms of customization, analytics, and ease of integration. Stick around to the end of this video, and I'll share that one with you, along with an exclusive free trial and benefits that are only available through our link. So, while Unicode QR codes can be a great tool for basic QR code creation, you might want to check out some of the other options if you're looking for more features. Remember, we have a special offer for you, and I've also added some amazing alternatives that provide better functionality for those looking to use QR codes for bigger, more complex projects. If you're ready to get started, use the link in the description for the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else.